Today we learn about the modal verb will for future tense. Will shows pure future actions and predictions. This helps beginners speak about tomorrow and future plans clearly. Will has two main uses. First is pure future actions. Second is predictions. Pure future means decisions made right now. Predictions mean guessing what will happen. Pure future actions happen when you decide something at the speaking moment. These are not planned before. You choose right now what to do in future, like spontaneous decisions. Listen to these pure future examples. I will call you later shows decision now. We will meet at 7 p.m. means arranging right now. Both use will for instant future plans. Predictions guess future events. It will rain tomorrow is weather prediction. She will win the game shows confidence in result. These opinions use will for future guessing. Pure future uses decisions at speaking moment, like I will help now. Predictions use opinion about future events, like it will snow tomorrow. Decision versus prediction. Will also makes offers, promises, spontaneous decisions. I will have a coffee is instant choice. I will always support you is promise. I will help you is offer. Practice filling blanks with will. I'm thirsty. I will get you water makes offer. Don't worry, I will finish on time gives promise. Practice these patterns daily. Complete these sentences with will. I will call you tomorrow is pure future. She will help with your homework is offer. They will arrive late is prediction.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.